Dumelang Beautiful People, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you how I achieved this simple hairstyle. I used two different braiding extensions for this. The Hair Nova Marley braid was used for the braids in the front section, and the X-pression Marley locks were used for the ponytail. Let's get into the tutorial. I first sectioned my hair into two, using my ears as a guide for the line. The sections aren't equal, there's more hair at the back. I then gathered the back section into a small bun to help connect the faux lock ponytail, which I will do later in this tutorial. I then sectioned the front into 4 smaller sections. I started by creating a line in the middle so I can have 2 equal sections. I tried to make the part as clean and neat as possible. Once I had the 2 sections, I tied the one section so it doesn't get in the way. I then parted the loose section into 2, using my red tail comb to help me section it as neatly as I can get it. I then secured those sections using small plastic rubber bands. I did the exact same thing on the section that I put away earlier. As you can see, the front is sectioned into 4 parts secured by rubber bands. Once all the parts are secured, I separate each section into 2. I attach my Marley braid to one half of the section to create a twist. I use my hair as the third piece of the extension, as I first start off by creating a 3-strand braid so I can make sure the Marley braid is properly attached and secured to my hair. I then separate my hair into 2 to create the twist. I repeat this process throughout the front section until all my hair is in twists. I ended up with 8 strands of twists in total. So to create the front pattern, I randomly place each strand of twist across my head and securing it to the pony at the back. I'm creating a crisscross-like pattern. It takes some trial and error, but it comes together at the end. Once all the twists are secured, I then take my faux locks, which I attached to an old ribbon, and tied them around my hair. Well, as you can see, the first attempt didn't necessarily go well. Anyways, I tied the ribbon at the back to secure the locks to my head and wrapped the rest of it around the base of my pony to make sure it stays there. I then wrapped a few strands of the locks around the base of the pony and secured it with a bobby pin. For the final touches, I added silver cuffs to each of the 4 sections in front. And that's the end of the tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, leave your comments in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.